Hi friends, Nicole Vincent. We are checking out this mic that I purchased to do podcasts and videos for YouTube. Let's unbox it. So you've got the nice unit. This is nice and foam cover to really help that noise reduction, help capture your voice well. You've got controls here. You've got touch controls here. So there's two different options available with this microphone. They have the boom arm and they also have a stand. I decided to go with the stand. I was really torn. We'll see if I regret it later. Oh, that is heavy duty, nice heavy duty. This is metal. This is foam, so it's not going to scratch up your desk. Screws on there. And then this has a nice universal kind of tripod screw. So if you do decide later on you want a boom arm or you already have one, this will totally go on there. Look at that. So nice. Now, this does not come with this cable. It does come with a USB cord. It also comes with a great instruction manual, so you can get it all set up, hooked up to your computer. This is a plug and play. So my next video, we'll be testing this out on some different videos. So enjoy.